What's up guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to convert your Python file into a real executable file, means a software. Okay, I'll show you what does, if you don't know what does exe mean, I'll show you. Okay, same like your Python file has an extension of .py, your software has an extension of .exe. Okay, exe means executable. Okay, now search any software you want to search about. If I say like media player, okay, and media player, and right click on it and then say open file location. Okay, click on it. So as you can see, the VM player means the Windows Media Player is a .exe file. Okay, if I say VLC Media Player, okay, so right click properties, it's an exe file. Okay, so any software you think you want to search about, it's an exe file. If I say OBS and then open file location, as you can see, OBS 64 is an exe file. Okay, I don't need to say that these things aren't useful. These things are useful, but when you open this software, you open this exe. Okay, if I say Visual Studio Code, Visual, oh shit, I actually opened it. As you can see guys, the file running is code.exe. I'll show you what does this here. Okay, I'll say Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio Code, and say open file location, and then as you can see, code.exe. Okay, so wait for a second. So as you can see, the file running is code.exe. Okay, so the application means the desktop application code.exe is mainly running it. I don't say that this isn't running. All the things running are helping this. Okay, so there isn't one like this Vulkan, the DL, snapshot. I mean, everything is helping this, but the file running is just code.exe. Okay, so basically, okay, so every single file in this Visual Studio Code directory is helping it. The file running is just code.exe. Okay, so I'll close it. Okay, so basically I'm going to show you how to convert your Python file into a application. Okay, so open your CMD or PowerShell. I'll open my PowerShell. Okay, then say pip install installer. Okay, so and then hit enter. Mine has been installed. Okay, so it will say requirement already satisfied, as you can see. Okay, so install this pip install PyInstaller. Okay, then pick your Python code. Okay, so I'll pick mine and my Python codes. Okay, I'll make her just a testing folder. Okay, testing folder, and then one of my Python codes. I'll pick one of them. Okay, something like I'll pick my rock paper scissors game. Okay, so rock paper scissors, and then into the testing folder. Okay, and I'll open my PowerShell here. So I'll say cd testing folder. Okay, so as you can see, my file rock paper scissors, that's txt. Okay, so I'll make it a py first, so I'll rename it to, okay, so I'll rename it. So as you can see, it has made a Python file out of it, that py. Okay, so let's run it first. So Python, yep. Welcome to today's stone paper scissors game. Stone, paper, or scissors. Okay, I'll say paper. Paper. Now computer chooses paper. Now that is a draw. Okay, if I say stone, you laugh because computer chooses paper. Interesting. Scissors. Computer chooses scissors. Draw. Okay. So this is my code basically. Okay, so what you basically gotta do is say PyInstaller, oops, PyInstaller, and then the name of the Python file, okay, and then enter. Now leave it to the PowerShell. It will do everything on its own, okay. So it will take quite a while if it's a very big code or a very, very slow code, okay. So mine isn't that big. It's just, a little 10. Wow. Okay, so it's not that hard to, to compile it, so it won't take that quite a while. So it's doing it. I'll come back when it's done. Okay, so as you can see, it's done. It has converted my py file into an exe file. So from this command to this whole thing. Okay, so it's nothing. Okay, just bunch of crap. Okay, so you'll find your Python file in the disk and rock paper scissors and this folder, that paper scissors. Okay, when you double click on it, as you can see, I didn't need it to run it. Okay, so it's an application. Okay, that's a stone. I keep getting stone. Man, I want, yeah. Okay, so this is it. Okay, now wait, I'll move to the side. As you can see, even this is a exe file, and don't delete this. Okay, these are also important files. Okay, so as I said before, even these, every single file is important. Okay, do not delete even one of them. Okay, everything is important. Okay, if you want one file, that's another one. I'll show you. Okay, so I'll delete this except my rock paper scissors Python file. Okay, so delete, and even from the recyclable, I'll delete it permanently. So all you gotta do is say PyInstaller. So if you want to get one file, then just say dash dash one file. Okay, so that's all you need to do if you want one file. Okay, so it's doing. Okay, so as you can see, it's done. And in the test folder, the only file there is the rock paper scissors. Okay, so double click on it. Okay, so don't you want that is not draw. No, whoops, man. Okay, so as you can see, whoa. Okay, so this is it. This is how to make your Python file to your program file, and that's it. I'll see you in the next video. And if you have any questions or errors, comment it, like and subscribe this video. and I'll see you in the next video.